Davy, here are you.
We're here at the zoo of Niagara Safari. Wow, nice. Okay, Ella, where are you girls? We're going inside. Oh, it's the reception right away. Okay, excited? Yes, of course. Okay, look at Mama. Okay, what do you see? Flamingos. I know. Look at that.
They're big.
Look at that flamingo. You like flamingo? Look at this one.
He's sleeping. He's like posing.
Oh, yeah. That's so cute. This is where they like release some eagles for show. Birds of prey. And then we're gonna go straight to which one is next? What's that? Can you see what's the name of that animal?
Brazilian tapir.
I saw it on the map, but let's see. What kind of animal is that? And it's eating fruit. What is that, my love? Great horned owl. Let's see, where is it? Over there. It's night-night. Anak, it's night-night right now. Ella, you see owl? Ah, what the owl say? Good girl. Good girl. That's what the owl say. Good job. Let's go see some eagle. Wow. Whoa. I wish you fly when I was closer. There's an eagle. There, mighty eagle. Go, 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 go. Fly for me, mighty eagle. There's two eagles.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, what is that, my love?
Eagle.
What's that, my love?
Eagle.
Eagle. Good job. Wow, good job. Okay, we go inside and see more animals, okay? What can we see here? What's that? Smells like animals. Oh, there's birds and like lovebirds. What's in here? Oh, bak. Ella, what's that? Ella, what's that? Chicken, good girl. And there's doves. Turtle doves, white doves. White doves. There's more chicken. Look, my love. Ella. Ella, your chicken. Good girl. Oh, Ella, donkey. Oh, what's that on the other side? Miniature horse. Horsey. Horsey. That's a llama. Alpaca. LK, look at Mama. Sorry. Hi, horsey. The chicken everywhere, just walking around. I know. You want? Donkey. Ella, you see donkey? That's a donkey? Nice. Okay. Let's see more. Take a picture of that. You're gonna be a bee? Okay, Mama, take a picture of you. You're gonna be a bee. Oh, there's a playground over there. Okay, you ready? Ella, where are we going? Ella, where are we going? We go see some tiger. Wow. Okay. What do you see right now, my love? What do you see, my love? Tiger. Okay, come on. Let's take a picture over here. Okay. Tell me what you see. Monkey. Hi. Hi there. What are you doing? Oh, we don't have food and we're not allowed to feed you. I'm sorry. Are you okay? Oh, it looks so sad. Are you okay? Okay. What's that, my love? Lion. Oh wow, look how big the paw. Let's see. Let's go and see closer.
I believe the lion because the other one is roaming.
Oh, we're gonna need to find. Wow, look how big they are. Look how big they are, eh, Anna? You see that? Oh, look at that. Hi. 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 Okay, what do you see? A parrot. Let me see. It's called macaw. Military macaw. It's very colorful. Oh, and it's go sleeping. Hi. It's sleeping. Oh no, it's opening its eyes. Hi. 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 Oh.
Hello. Hello. What's your name? What's your name?
Can you talk? It's feeding time. Oh, no. What is her food or its food?
I've got some cucumber today. Looks like some sweet potatoes. Got some seeds and nuts.
Oh, wow.
Normal parent diet. It's got nutrients in it. Kind of tastes like bland cereal.
Wow, lucky.
Tried it.
Hey, okay.
You just say thanks.
Here you go. Come on. Oh. Are you excited? Are you excited? You're gonna have some food? Come on, go eat for us. Come on, show us you can eat. There you go. Good job. It's going down now. See, because they know that they have the food already, so it's going for it.
He's looking at me now. Hi, buddy. You were already fed.
Oh, Pebble's your name. Come on. Oh. Bye. Come on. Oh no. Come on. Babe, can you? It's gonna go down now. Look. Hi. All right. All right. There we go. Come on. There you go. Good job.
Look, the parrot will eat.
The parrot go now now. Go over here to see better how they feed. The leopard. The leopard is on top of its enclosure there. There, beautiful creature. Very fast animal. Wow. Such a beautiful cat. Wow, panther.
The panther is supposed
The
to be
black
the largest.
panther. Wow. Hello. Say hello to Dallas, Dora, and Mel reindeer. Wow, can you see the horn in there, my love? There.
Are you yet?
The horn of the reindeer. It's over there. And the others are inside the shed.
I went no.
Rudolph? Yeah.
Very Rudolph.
Now we're here for the bears. Where are the bears? Over there. There's a brown bear. I can't see really how. What is over there? Like they call it the grizzly bear, right? And then the brown bear, the black bear is right beside it. There's two of them. But they're not so black anymore. They're a little bit brown.
That's this one. Giraffe.
We're here now at the giraffe encounter when you can see and feed the giraffe. So yeah, we're excited to do that. Here we go. Almost there. You want giraffe? Okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna feed the giraffe. Good girl. Okay. Wait, anak, don't. Come on, Elah.
Right here.
Can we go over here? Wow, look.
You guys, the little one has to stand behind the red line, okay?
Wait.
Hey guys!
LK, Elah.
Now you just go like this. Oh, he's so
Aww. Okay. Did you have fun? Did you have fun feeding the giraffe? Okay. Elah. Okay, Elah. Good girl. Okay, let's go. It goes around, and it's picking up station by station. There we go. It's our stop. Yes, we're riding on a train. That's for the hippo over there. They're near the rock. Yeah, near the rock. There's a playground for kids again. Everywhere. You like the train? Oh, there's a hippo.
They're all sleeping underneath the shade. Swan. Look, the carousel. Camel. Yeah.
This is the adventure zone, so there's like the sky quest over there, and there's the splash pads behind. So this is where all the adventures go. Good job. Good job, LK. Good job. Now jump. Jump. Good job, LK. Good job, my love. Keep going. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Elah, go. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. No. Come on, go, LK. Go, 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 go. LK, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Good girl. Good job, my love. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. That's okay. That's okay. 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 Okay, go. Keep going. Nice.
Good. Don't put your hand underneath those things, right? Keep your hand.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh no,
Okay, where you going? Hello, wow, good girl. Good girl, Elah. This is the end of our video. Please subscribe for more fun, play, learning, and adventure video at LK's Playroom. See you again. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe. Bye. See you again.